Position of principal. Non-principal agent acts within his authority. The principal is liable for the acts of the agent with third persons provided his acts are done within the scope of his authority and in the course of his employment as an agent. He is also liable for such acts of the agent which are necessary for the proper execution of his, that is, agent's authority. Agent exceeds his authority. When an agent exceeds his authority to do work of the principal is bound by that part of the work which is within his authority and which can be separated from the part which is beyond his authority. Agent acts fraudulently, the principal is liable for the misrepresentations made or frauds committed by the agent in the course of his business for the principal. However, misrepresentations made or frauds committed by the agent in matters which do not fall within his authority do not affect his principal. Unnamed principal. When a person contracts as an agent for a principal but does not disclose principal's name, the principal is liable for the contract of the agent unless there is a trade custom or a term which makes the agent personally liable. If the third party contracts knowing that there is principal although his identity is not disclosed, he cannot sue the agent. If, however, the agent declines to disclose the identity of the principal, he will become personally liable on the contract. Undisclosed principal. Sometimes an agent may give impression to the third party as if he is contracting in an independent capacity, concealing the name of the principal and also the fact that he is an agent. In such case, the position of each of the party and their relationship as between them are given below. Position of principal. When an undisclosed principal is subsequently discovered or he himself intervenes, the other contracting party, if he has not already obtained judgment against the agent, may sue either the principal or the agent or both. The principal may also, if he likes, require the performance of the contract from the other contracting parties. But in such a case, he must allow the third party the benefit of all payments made by the third party to the agent. Position of agent. As between the principal and the agent has all the rights of an agent as against the principal. But as regards the third party, he is personally liable on the contract. He may be sued on the contract and he has the right to sue the third party. Position of third parties. The third party may elect to sue either the principal or the agent or both. If the principal discloses himself before the contract is completed, the other contracting party may refuse to fulfill the contract. If he can show that if he had known who the principal was or that the agent was not the principal, he would not have entered into the contract. The third party can also claim a right of set-off against the agent. Where the principal requests the performance of the contract, he can only obtain performance as is subject to the rights and obligations subsisting between the agent and the other party to the contract.